Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This video about how to debug type coercion errors in a Buggy app. User story number 1. You should to have a variable named first result that correctly adds the numbers 5 and 10 to produce the value of 15. On the right side you can see the const first result assigned to the 5 plus string 10. In JavaScript, if we add number to the string, we get a string. Everything what we need to do here is just delete the quotes. Now our variable first result will be assigned to the mathematical operation under two numbers. 5 plus 10 equals 15. We pass test2, user story number 2. You should have a variable named second result that correctly subtracts 5 from 8 to produce the value 3. Obviously, we need to replace the word 8 with the number 8. Just for fun, I will replace the word 8 with the number 8 that still will be in a bracket. It means that we're still subtracting number from the string. But in this case, everything will work. JavaScript will automatically turn our string 8 into the number and subtract 5. You can see that we passed the test. User story number 3. You should to have a variable named third result that produces the value 6 by adding two numbers. Replace the boolean currently used in the expression with a number. When we are consoling log the third result, we're getting right answer because JavaScript automatically turns true to the 1. Let's replace true with number 1. Replace the boolean currently used in the expression with a number. False boolean number in mathematical expressions automatically change into the 0. Let's replace them. User story number 4. You should have a variable named fourth result. Produces the value 8 by adding two numbers. User story number 5. You should have a variable named fifth result that correctly multiplies two numbers to get the product 20. We need to replace the string 10 with a number. And finally, user story number 6, we need to replace now with a 0. As you see in the console, now in mathematical expressions gives us 0. That's it, we're done. This exercise may seem silly, but understanding of what this type coercion is will help you in the future. If you're still here, thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.